Hi, this is Tim Kelly at Breakthrough Insurance Group and the Simplicity Group, and welcome to the Big Idea. Last week, if you saw the previous episode, I talked about upgrading your client's income because income payout rates and annuities right now are so high that you can replace old variable annuities with income benefits with a new indexed annuity with an income rider, and we are beating those old income rates 90% of the time because the payout rates today are extremely high. So I wanted to show you this week a software tool that we have available to you for free where you can quote these different income riders in indexed annuities, and I wanted to make sure that you knew this was available to you. So this is our website here. And in order to get to the software called Annuity Rate Watch is where you can run some of these quotes. You're going to go to Agent Tools on the menu, scroll down to Annuities, click on that, and you'll see Annuity Rate Watch here right in this section. And so you'll click on Annuity Rate Watch to get to the software. If you need a little training first, you can go to the training video, but these are pretty easy to run. I'm going to show you just how easy in a second here. So I'm going to flip over to Annuity Rate Watch. When you get in there, you're going to see a menu there where you can look at MIGA rates, other fixed annuity rates, indexed annuity rates, like the S&P 500 cap rates for different products, SPIA quotes, a lot of different things you can do on here, but you want to go to rider quoting and replacements and then just click on rider quoting. That's going to take you to this screen that you see here. And I filled out some of this information already so we can kind of skip through this, but you're going to put the client's name, their age, what type of an annuitant they are. It's a single annuitant, male, in New Jersey, and we're going to solve for the payout amount. You can solve for payout or you can solve for premium if you know what income they want. But right now I'm just going to solve for the payout, and I'm going to put in a single premium of 100 grand. And over here, remember, this is a 60-year-old. Over here, we're going to say when we want the income to start. And in this drop down box, you can pick any age that you want it to start. We're just going to look at age 70 in 10 years as an example. And then over here, we are going to click Run Quote. And as we allow that to run there, here we have on the screen a lot of different carriers starting from the best payout to the worst. So we have here at the top for this particular client, a 60-year-old starting income in 10 years. We have Equitrust with a roll-up rate of 8%, an income amount, their income base $233,000, and a benefit rate of 7.5% at age 70. And so that creates an income stream, a guaranteed lifetime income of 17,487. Okay, so you may look at that as the best payout rate. Equitrust is a B++ rated company. So as you see up here, you've got several filters if you only want to look at particular carriers or carriers with fees for the rider or not. If the roll-up rate is performance-based, like maybe it's based on an index instead of a fixed roll-up rate of 8% as an example for Equitrust, or if they have enhanced benefits or not. Enhanced benefits are if they have a doubler for long-term care on the income guarantee. You'll see Equitrust does have one here under the enhanced payout column. So if you need assistance with your activities of daily living, some of them say it will be doubled from 17,487 up to 34,975 for a specific period of time as an example. But let's just say we only want to look at A-rated carriers, so we're going to click yes here, and then it's going to create a new list for us with no B-rated carriers on the list if we wanted to filter it that way. So as it churns here, we get a new list. So now the top carrier is American General, has a roll-up rate of 10%, but its income base is less. Benefit rate is actually greater at 8.5. Total payout is 17 grand a year, guaranteed for life. So I just wanted to make sure you were all aware that this software was available to you for free on our website at breakthroughins.com. You can check out the training on there. You can talk to your sales support person here to walk you through this if you need a little bit more help. But this is really cool software that I think that can really help you with your income rider planning for your clients. As always, if you need any help with any of this, feel free to give us a call. And thank you for watching The Big Idea.